gonna buy some more points, but baby, you know it. Wait, let's go. We got Del Pierre for my first pack. What, there's 100k packs? 100k packs? What am I doing with this? Get rid of these bad boys. Let's go with the 100k. I'm guessing it's in the special. This is it, lads. 100k pack, all rare, please. I'm not even gonna look. I'm gonna click it. I'm not even gonna look. I haven't looked. Who have I got? Who's my best player? Please let it be a team of the year, please. Oh my God, please. Let it be.